Welcome to NetroFlex, the first conversion intelligent platform. And so today I'm just going to quickly show you a new feature that we just added into our dashboard. So in the dashboard, if you go under utilities, you will see backup restore. Under backup restore, you'll see several tabs, but we're just going to talk about the snapshot tab. Now what this does is if we run a snapshot or save a snapshot, what happens, you're backing up your panel, you're backing up your email leads. So what you want to do, you can do a quick snapshot which will automatically run, or you can do advanced snapshot. Usually what I like to do, if you do a quick snapshot, it's going to take a backup of everything in your account. But here I like to do a custom snapshot. With the custom snapshot, you can save templates, your analytics, your settings, your campaigns, your forms, or your email leads. At this time, we want to save the email leads and we want to give it a name. So usually what I do is I give it a date. Let me know this is a custom backup. So let me just name it backup. And then also I put the time. So it lets me know what time I'm doing the backup. After I do that, I hit create. And right now the system is just going to back up my email leads at this moment. Okay. There is a timer, and that's just letting me know how long the backup is running. But usually depending on how large of a scale your list is as far as your email leads will determine how long this runs. But as you can see, there is a processing button. So as long as it says processing, you're not able to do any other backups at this time. Okay. So really, as this is processing, you don't want to make any changes in the system, because right now it is capturing your clicks and events that are running in the system. So how do I know this is working? So I'm going to show you. What I'm going to do is go to the lead manager in our manager. Okay, so what I want to do is I'm going to take one of these emails and send it to the trash can. So there is a trash can or recycle feature here, or you can click on it. There's a trash can here as well. Okay, so but I'm not going to click anything until after my snapshot is finished. Okay, because I don't want it to mess up what I'm going to show you. But that is the goal, is to, after the snapshot is done, I'm backing up my emails. We're going to send a email to the trash, and then we're going to recover it. So that's the steps. So let me go back to backups. Okay, it's still going right now. It's still processing. Under backup, you can even download your backups as well when it's finished processing. There are 3 quick actions you can do. You can download, you can restore, or you can delete the backup. Since this is a starter account, each starter account, which is a free account, gets only 3 snapshots. It could be 3 quick snapshots, or it can be 3 custom snapshots. All right, so that's very good. So the timer is no longer there. You don't see the processing. You can download your backup. you can restore your backup here. Yeah, restore your snapshot, or you can delete it. All right, so let's take a look. So we're gonna hop back over to our leads. We're gonna put an email address in the trash can or recycle bin. We're going to trash. As you can see, this is our email address that we have in the trash can. Okay. We hop back over to our backup restore, and what's going to happen is we want to restore this back up here from this backup. So what we'll do, we'll hit the restore, and it's going to ask us, do we want to restore from this backup or snapshot? It says this will overwrite your current data from that point in time. So during this time, I'm going to mention again, if you're running your backup, don't make any changes while you're doing your backup. If you do a backup, make sure it's like off-peak hours. That way you can capture as much data in your backup as possible. So we're going to hit restore. Alright, so restore initiated. Our data should be restored. So what we want to do, remember that email address that we put in the trash can. We go to lead manager. Okay, I guess it's still running because it's supposed to remove it from trash can back over to active. Your data will be rolled back shortly. It says please wait. That's what's happening. Do not make changes during this process. Restore initiated. So now we're waiting on the restore. So give the system a few minutes. It should be restored. So we actually had to wait on the restore to finish the entire process, and as you can see, it says we restored it at this time here. I'm Central Standard Time, so this is why I put the time, my time zone. Otherwise this is the server backup server time. Okay, so yeah, so you can call your backup whatever time that you want. You can give it a custom name. 7:33 is my time zone, but this is the backup server time. So alright, so it said it restored it. So let's go back over here, because remember we put an email in a trash can, our test email that was there. So basically just give it at least 10 minutes or so, depending on how many leads you have. But yeah, so it's working. So that's backup and restore. Stay tuned so I can explain these other tabs and how they work. Thank you for listening in. Bye bye.